Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Redmi Note 15 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and adjust your brightness in these settings. So scroll down until you see display and brightness, and here make sure to disable automatic brightness, and here adjust your own. Now, after that, if there are still some flickers, what you guys can go to is to the Play Store, then go to search, and here search for the screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Now, install the first app, and here after you install it, it's only a megabyte, so it will install quickly. Let's click open, and here we need to grant permissions. So the first one is to modify the system settings to change the brightness. And the next one is whenever we change our overlays. So go to downloaded apps and here screen dimmer. Now allow it and wait 10 seconds. So as you guys can see, read all screen content and control screen. It needs this permission because whenever you change the overlay or you just rotate your screen or you open up your keyboard, then it has to change the brightness too. Now the last one is to grant notifications. So you do that. And here you can easily enable the service. As you guys can see, it already works. You can see that it's working. And if you don't want it, simply click here and then you will be able to change your brightness from here. So this is what you guys can do. Now, as a last resort, what you guys can do is check for software updates. So go to settings and then go to about phone right up top here. Click on the HyperOS. And I have no updates available, but if you do, then I recommend you guys updating it because it's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.